Cassie is kind of in your face.
Aaron, close the door.
Puppies!
It's so funny because they're all skidding around.
Puppy herd.
Puppy party.
Dog pile.
Don't bark, Coco.
Coco.
She's getting ready to bark. And it's
Hey.
fine. See, she's loud.
Well, Katie really doesn't bark back at dogs. She barks at people.
Oh. Cassie, come on. Be nice. You big brat.
Katie's not even a year old. She's just a baby.
Oh, wow. Yeah,
it's 11
Cassie.
months.
Cassie is 6 and Coco is 9. So.
Yeah, Katie's not even 1 yet. She will be soon, though.
Okay.
In July. I don't know when in July.
I think it's the 12th.
Well, Coco's unofficial birthday is the 4th of July, but I'm saying she's 9 just for... How are the... Is Dagu?
Yeah,
Dagus.
How are they
two
all?
babies.
We just got the males and females
Oh,
separated.
did you? How's that going?
It's been going
rough
okay.
first couple days, and now it's finally smoothing out.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Excuse the mess. I've been lazy.
Hey guys.
Where did the cat go?
She's
That's
in
a
the
good.
bathroom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
like-
I don't know how these guys are around cats. I'm pretty sure they were...
The cat's a bit of a bitch, so...
Yeah, I'm pretty sure these guys are gonna go after it if
Yeah,
there
we'll
is a cat,
we'll
so.
keep the cat. In
Oh,
the-
the babies are getting big. Oh, there's a toy back there, never mind.
So's Coco.
Coco's a big bear.
Don't you love the little like gray things behind her ears?
Man,
I have
if
no
you want
idea.
to see a bear, you should see my my half brother Eric's dog. That thing is a moose. It's a bear moose. He's like this tall, and he's so solidly built. He's just like.
What dog is he? Is he a mastiff?
You're a bad puppy. Yeah, you. I'm talking to you. Bad puppy. Drive my wife nuts. You're barking. Stay. 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 Good girl. Hard at work, modifying a pattern, listening to some good old music. Even the cat's behaving. Even the dog's behaving, which is really weird. Even the wife is behaving. Maybe. And with that, all the fabric is cut out.
Ow. What?
Puppy attack you?
Puppy attacked. She went to my tummy. No. Focus on that, not me.
But you're cuter and more entertaining. Get her, Katie. Get her. Oh, you want to go out, don't you? Don't ask me about the music. It is my wife's playlist. Books, story. I think her playlist is off a little bit. Again? We only took you out 3 hours ago. I'm grabbing my hat this time. It's hot. Now I forgot a poop bag. Viewers, hold this. I gotta tear it. Thank you. Well, you can tell it's hot out. I don't like it. Kitty doesn't like it. Look at that tongue. Not pleasant. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Kitty. Oh, I have to start training her for rabbit hunting, though. We got all summer to get her ready. Because come fall, that's when the challenge will be. Now we're at my favorite place, Fleet Farm. What? Are you
Sun's bright.
embarrassed?
Sun was bright.
Oh, okay. I love this place so much I can marry it. Look, everyone, doesn't that look comfy? Here. Walmart, I hate you. Why are we here again? Why?
Because of you.
Because of me? Fred?
Yes.
Well, surely there's something you can do well. Like those.
I won that.
Oh, look, there's a Poe now.
And there's a candy back there. Stewie.
Cool. This is our friend. She is bringer of the cookies.
He has a video vlog now.
Oh, really? Interesting.
Yeah, it's coming along. I've got like maybe 5 or 6 days up so far.
Thank you. Alright, let's bring you outside. Good to go?
Mm-hmm. My Rose is doing so well. Huh?
Oh, there's a black hole pit down there.
A what?
Yeah.
What is it?
The black, looks like a little black city. Little one.
Underneath the car?
But can you see him?
Yeah. Yep, there he goes. No, he's still under there. Oh, they smell so pretty. Here, have a sniff.
Come on.
Puppies, do the poopers.
I'm really good. So I'm guessing you have a 1 then.
Saxons. Excalibur, no.
So I'm coming to help out. Placing
That's
one
my
and
fault.
Spending a life point to place a 1.
Oh, so you have to spend a life every time.
There's
you do
me.
that.
I'm
No,
purple.
just to do 2 things.
Oh,
Purple.
Just do two
See? I'm
things,
purple.
so
Purple.
I'm trying to help you out.
MJ.
We heal.
Bad
and
MJ.
Complete the quest, right?
Yeah, you gain 1 life.
Oh.
The
Killed
quest
him.
is- You beat
I
one.
killed the siege engine, yes.
Did she just move that thing wherever she wants? Ah!
It was full of water. That's what we're
Now it's her new toy,
Pretty
apparently.
much.
It's just like, rah!
I owe my mother new Tupperware.
Oh, is that the Tupperware thing?
Yep, it's my mother's.
Why don't we should have used the ice cream container.
Oh well.
I didn't know Tupperware stores sold doggy toys.
Okay. I'm finished.
Anyways,
My turn?
focus.
Your turn.
Would it be safe to draw another black card, or should I say screw it?
Yeah, you could probably draw another black card.
Yes.
It's not, again, it's not safest, but the one you do not want to draw is the one after this one.
But it's gonna have to be drawn eventually. Can
So
any of us-
if you draw this one, nobody else gets to draw a black card. At least for a while. At least for a significant while.
I'll do siege engine then.
Okay, you take a siege engine. The one I just murdered.
Sorry. I don't want to do a black card.
Okay. I murdered one for a reason. I hope you're gonna come back and help me fight him too.
Well, that's what I was planning on doing.
Cool.
Okay, I'm gonna move now.
And as you can see, we're cutting out more patterns. It just doesn't end.
More like I'm making a pattern for a pattern.
Oh, okay.
As weird as that sounds, I'm making a pattern for a pattern.
Yeah, this is the shirt for the Mantov costume. Yeah. We just got done playing this game for like 4 hours, and we all lost against the game. Kind of stinks. But yeah, happy puppy is happy.